you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Beauteque Monthly Beauty Box versus Mask Maven. This is for September. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my September boxes just arrived. They always ship at the very end of the month, so you generally get it the first week of the following month. That's why we're now in October, and I'm just now receiving my September box and bag. But let's go ahead and dive in and see what we have this month. I'm gonna go ahead and go with Mask Maven first because this one's a little easier since it's all masks. All right. So they always put them in this little thing right here. And let's see what we have. They're always in a little bag. And they always give you a little card. This month, this is Girls Night In. That is their theme. That'll be the same theme for both of them. And then inside of here, they do go over the different masks that are inside, but they do not go over pricing where the Beauteque Beauty Box does. So first thing right on top is an avocado collagen mask, and avocado is really good for our skin, for our hair. So I'm really glad to get that one. So why we love it, the avocado collagen mask contains a unique blend of avocado extract, collagen, and vitamin E, which provides rich nutrients and vitality to your complexion. We have a coconut essence mask. The mask features coconut extract, which soothes your face and helps minimize skin irritation. Galaxy 3x multi-masking program for dry skin. It looks like there's 3 different zones. There's like 3 different packages in here. It's like one down here, one right here, and then one here. And it looks like you have your T-zone, your cheeks, and then the bottom half. Wash off mask, and then the bottom is a peel off mask. So it has for the T-zone, the C-zone, and the U-zone. I know of the T-zone, but I never knew the others were called anything. This 3-part multi-step mask will cover your T-zone with a watery shield wash off mask featuring blueberry extract, your C-zone with a black tea mud mask featuring black tea extract, and your U-zone with a color changing peel off mask featuring gold extract. Color changing, that's neat. Then we have the same one. This is for oily skin and it's the same style. This one is this 3-part multi-step mask will cover your T-zone with pink bubble mask featuring tea tree extract, your C-zone with a green mud mask featuring green tea extract, and your U-zone with a color changing peel off mask featuring gold extract. And this one is a bubble mask, wash off mask, and a peel off mask for this one. Then we have a Core Essence face mask. This mask will take your skin to the next level of radiance and clearness. It will also provide intense hydration for firmer and smoother looking skin. This one right here, this is excellent for softening, healing, and regenerating skin care properties. It is rich in antioxidants, which protect your skin against free radical damages. Here's cucumber. Cucumber is very good for your face. Features cucumber extracts. This mask will help cool, dull, dry skin instantly. Your skin will feel soft and subtle in a couple of minutes with this mask on, leaving you looking effortlessly flawless. Then we have green tea. Enriched with green tea extracts, this mask will help calm and soothe your skin. The rich extracts also clear and revitalize skin that is exposed to environmental stressors and purities instantly. We have carrot mask. This mask features carrot, which adds elasticity to your skin, and hyaluronic acid, which helps moisture your face. And then peach, I love peach. Here's a peach. Peach, which strengthens skin's elasticity, and hyaluronic acid, which will help moisturize your face. So pretty much the same. So that is all of the masks that are in this particular month. So let's go ahead and dive into the beauty box. And this month again, Girls Night In. It says you're invited. There's some wine and cheese on the little label. Now this one does go over the pricing, so I can add up what the total value is at the end. And it goes over each product on the paper. Now let's go ahead and just grab the first thing. It says Quick Dry Hair Mist Cherry Blossom. This is valued at $8. Why we love it, this quick dry hair mist is the perfect solution if you are busy and you need to reduce your drying time. All you have to do is spray your hair after showering and your wet hair will quickly dry up. In addition, this mist also is a light cherry blossom scent to it. Spray the mist on your wet hair and then blow dry your hair. This will reduce your blowing time in half. No, it'll reduce your drying time in half, not your blowing time. Oh my goodness. Not only does your hair mist help with quick drying, it also will help protect your hair from heat damage. That I like. So let's give this a little sniff. It has a light cherry, I guess, scent to it. It says cherry blossom. That way it's way stronger. So it has a light scent to it. Now we have Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Sleeping Pack, whitening and anti-wrinkle. There's the package. And this says why we love it. This sleeping pack contains hyaluronic acid and eucalyptus oils, which highly moisturizes your skin and delivers ultimate hydration and nutrients. It also contains camellia flower extract and honey extract, which will nourish your skin while you wear the mask overnight. Apply a moderate amount, spread evenly over your face, leave the mask on overnight, and wash it off in the morning. So there's that guy. Next it says, I'm sorry for my skin, peeling pad and moisture pack. And there's 2 of these. These look to be exactly the same. Yes, so you get 2 of them. And it says, one is for you and one is for me. You will receive a pair of the 2-step masks. You can use it yourself or with your BFF. This 2-part mask set will help remove dead skin cells to create a smoother complexion and brighten your skin tone. And it says how to use. So that's the inside. You can't really read much. And then the outside is like that. And it says moisture pack, peeling pad. Use the embossed side of the peeling pad to wipe your face and then use the plain cotton side to wipe it again. Rinse off your face with lukewarm water and take out the 4 masks from step 2. There's 4 masks in there. Place the 4 masks on the desired area you want to target, cheek, forehead, jaw, etc., and leave them on for 5 minutes. Take off the masks and pat gently until the remaining essence is fully absorbed. So it's probably just like 4 little circles or something, and you can place them on your 4 targeted problem zones, your trouble zones. But so you have the peeling pad is number 1, then step 2 would be the moisture pack. So that's neat. There's a 2-step situation. 1, 2 step. 1, 2 step. Okay, so next we have is for sensitive skin, Green Tea Pure Cleansing Balm Makeup Remover. There's the packaging. Why we love it. Formulated with green tea and olive fruit oil. There you go. And olive fruit oil This cleansing balm will help you lock in moisture and protect sensitive skin while cleansing away your makeup. Green tea also helps reduce signs of aging, while olive fruit oil helps maintain your skin and moisture barrier without clogging your pores. How to use: apply a moderate amount of the product to your face and gently massage and melt the product into your skin, allowing the makeup and impurities to melt away. Add some water to the oil and continue massaging the skin. Rinse with lukewarm water. So it is literally just like a balm, And it doesn't have a scent or anything. So I'm excited to try that out and see how that works. Oh, you guys, I am so sorry. I'm not telling you all of these pricing. So this sleeping pack, this is $18 and these are $5 each. So this is $10. I already told you the quick dry was $8 and this guy here is $23 for this. Now we have two more items in here. This one here is scrunchies. So it looks like hair scrunchies. There's a set of two. They're valued at $3 each. So this is $6 for this package. And I have so many scrunchies, you guys. So this I'm actually not going to open because I will put this in a future giveaway. So one of you guys can use it for yourself, or if you have a daughter that needs it. These hair scrunchies are perfect for styling your hair when you go out, but are also great to hold your hair up when you're putting on your skincare at home. We made sure that you got a pair so you could use it with your best friend during the girls' night in. Okay, so they're definitely giving you a girls' night in. Not only are they giving you two different masks, but they're giving you two different scrunchies as well. So I like the little theme that they're doing this month. And then the last item here says Nail Essence Pin. And this is valued at $11. Why we love it: the Nail Essence Oil Pen will provide nutrition and moisturization to your cuticles. It's enriched with natural oils like lavender and jojoba, which works to remove dead skin cells and loose skin and heal any broken nails. How to use: turn the back of the Essence Oil Pen clockwise. Evenly spread the essence oil over dry nails. Apply several times as needed. Let it dry naturally. You can use on both your fingernails and your toenails. And then that's just what the product looks like. So you have just like a little bristle brush at the top. The liquid is in the inside. And you just twist this and it probably pushes that gel or essence, the serum, whatever that's inside here, just pushes it out. And then you wipe it on your fingers, your fingernails, or your toenails. So this guy again is valued at $11. So everything that came in the beauty box is this pin, the makeup remover, the hair drying quicker upper, the two masks that are 2 steps each, the 2 scrunchies, and the aqua sleeping pack. So the total value for this month's box will be right here, and that'll be what the total value is when you add everything up. So that is everything that came in both of my boxes this month, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, did you like the Mask Maven? Did you like the Beauteque Beauty Box? Do you get either one? Are you on the fence about getting either one? Let me know. Everything down below. Now, when this box, normally they'll give everybody the same thing unless there's like a color variation or there's one that they send at random. And it looks like this month everybody should be getting the same exact thing. So if you get anything different and you get this box, let me know. But it appears that everyone will get the same thing. So there's that. So if you guys want to know a little bit about Beauteque Monthly, they have these 2 different subscriptions, the Beauty Box and the Mask Maven. Mask Maven is $15 a month. If you prepay for 6 months, it brings it to $14. If you do full 12, then it brings it to $13. If you pay for the whole entire year, it brings it to $13 a month. That's the cheapest route. Shipping is in addition, and you always get any type of masks. They're not always going to be face masks. Sometimes you'll get different masks like eye masks, lip patches, hair masks, like that kind of thing. You get different things, but they're mainly sheet masks, which I love me some sheet masks. So I really do enjoy this subscription. And then the beauty box. The beauty box is 6 full-size products delivered to your door. You get $24 if you do month to month, $23 if you do 6 months, and $22 if you prepay for the entire year. And again, shipping is in addition. So thank you so much for tuning in. Comment down below, let me know. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly appreciate it. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye.